It's Friday, crazy week in the markets, and I want no parts. All right. When I say I want no parts, that means that whatever happens from this point on, I'm just going to be watching it. You know what I'm saying? I might just mark things up. I don't want any kind of like doings with this. It's been already a crazy week. This right here is how the charts are currently looking at the moment. You know what I'm saying? And I see a lot of potential coming up very, very soon as well that I might take advantage of this upcoming week. But overall, chat is actually doing very, very good. People is winning like crazy. All those trades, wins, all that profit, 33,000. What? Come on. All right. But for me, I had a pretty good week as well. 2 red days, 8 trades there. The trades were, I'll show you the trades real quick. Had a couple there, but like this right here was like one particular trade. 3 positions, 1 trade there. But the biggest trade of this week right here, I did the it says 114,000, but it was 123,000 all a day, which was all those trades there: 23,000, 24,000, 21,000, 21,000, 15,000, 16,000, and then 2 losses there. Right, last week it was 92,000. So I had a big day on Thursday of last week, a big day of Wednesday of this week. So who knows? Probably next week this might be on a Tuesday at this rate. You know what I'm saying? It's a pattern there somewhere. But amazing week, well over $200,000 plus in this month so far. The month's only halfway, but yeah, time to start the day. And this is gonna be like the starting of my boys Prince's RWB bill as well. Gonna be heading over to the compound, starting that, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's gonna be a fun weekend. That kind of stuff might be do like a few events and that kind of shit, but. Overall, great week on the charts. Time to shut this entire shit down and go outside. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. That's the recap.